like this layer 3 switch and configure the EtherChannel here also. This is simple only. Let me do and show you also. This is simple. Just you will connect, take 2 cable instead of taking 4. If you are feeling difficult for 4, just take 2. And here you can say this one is multi-layer switch SW1. Okay, multi-layer switch, any name you can give, because I already give the same name, so I cannot assign the same name to the different switch. Here I use, so that's why I'm using this one. Just go inside here. Okay, and here you need to configure. The configuration is very simple. Same configuration whatever we done, only the commands will change here. What command will change? Like trunk example here, see I am doing host name, you will change as a multi-layer switch 1. Okay, and interface range F0/1-2. Then you will write what you will do. You will configure EtherChannel by using which method, but before method you will write switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, because we are using layer 3 switch. Then switch port mode trunk, this one. After that channel protocol, which protocol? LACP. Then channel group, what is the group number? You can see this one is supporting, this layer 3 switch is supporting group up to 1 to 48, 1 till 48. So you can give anything, but I am giving 1. And what is a mode? Mode you can use active, anything you can use, I am using active. So this configuration done one side. Okay, and you can write show EtherChannel summary, and you can see here, you see S means layer 2 EtherChannel, D means down. Here we are using this protocol and 2 physical interface we mix, and it is I means standalone, because one side we configure. I will go to the other side, I will configure the other side also. And if you see here, you will write no here, and then interface and put the configuration, change the name of the switch SW2 or multi-layer switch 2. Interface you have F0/1-2, and right here switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, because this is a layer 3 switch, so we use this command. Then what we will use, channel protocol LACP we are using, and channel group 1 mode active, or active or passive. One side you give active, so other side you can give passive also. So that is up to us, our wish. And then you can go and check here, right, show EtherChannel summary, and you can see here it is form P of 01, capital S means layer 2, U means in use by using this protocol, and P means it is port in channel, and now it is working perfectly. And here you can see orange color, you can do fast forward, so it will become green. So now you have both the side EtherChannel, and you can see EtherChannel is up here. Or you can write show IP interface brief, and you can see this is a EtherChannel, this one. We mix these 2 physical interface and we form only one this interface. And if you want to check, you can write show spanning tree, and you can see here only one port, it look like only one port, and STP will not block that one, and both are green, all the data will go. Okay, so this is a layer 3 EtherChannel. Only same configuration here, just you add one more command under this one, switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, if you are using layer 3 switch. If you are using layer 2 switch, then you will put this one only.